Okay, I always say, always, all the time. Well, lately, every time we've been to Dumont, it is like, if I could take the riding of Glamis and mix it with the scenery and the backdrop of Dumont, oh my God. We had a drone off on top of Comp Hill. His drone didn't make it, Dean. It's buried out there. Just kidding. They both survived.
We shot it down with an anti-drone gun.
But we did park right on the top of Comp Hill.
Yeah. Right
on the peak.
And we got some amazing video. It's, I mean, not to our credit, just, you know.
No, to our credit.
They have really good cameras, and you just put them up in the air and point them in the right direction. And especially in Dumont, the scenery there is amazing.
So, I don't know if you're aware, but you're about to be. We are doing a giveaway contest for a GoPro Hero session.
I kind of want that.
I more than kind of want it.
Yeah.
I could wear it as a necklace. It's only this big.
So now we have to buy one.
Now we have to buy one. But this one...
Maybe we could win this one.
You can't enter the drawing.
Oh, that's not fair.
There's a video up. It's called GoPro Hero Session Giveaway Contest Starts Now. And we're going to put a link to that video in the description here too. Because you have to like that video. Mm-hmm. You have to get all the way to the end of the video too. You have to watch the whole thing. Because if you skip through it, no link.
Disappears.
Disappearing link. You ever heard of that? True. That's not true. It's not. But it's a short video. Anyways, so that video, you have to like it. You have to comment on it. And you have to subscribe to the channel or be a current subscriber. And you... that started yesterday, February 23rd, runs to March 23rd. At the end of the contest, we're going to do a drawing.
We're going to get popcorn.
We're going to get popcorn. Okay. We can't win a camera, so we're going to get some popcorn. Anyways, enjoy this video because we enjoyed making it.
Correct.
Correct. Made it to Dumont. Where are we at? What are we doing?
Dumont.
We're in Dumont? Yeah. We're not in Dumont. We're on our way to Dumont. Hang on, he said something. Hang on. What are you telling me, dude?
I tell you over there in the one Jack Daniels box over there.
You know what? I already have one. I don't want to be greedy. I'm going to leave it in case somebody else comes and finds it.
Okay.
But thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay, I'm going into Love's. I think we're in Tehachapi. I should know by now. We've been here a million times. I'm going in here to pee even though we have a bathroom because it's tradition at this point. So I'm doing it. Hi, what are you doing in here? Sir, you look highly suspicious.
What are you doing?
Who's this guy?
Hey, what are you doing? Don't show me.
I'm gonna have to get a waiver. So, we had asked Uriah to go out behind where we were camped and just drive the piss out of that car so we could get some good video. We didn't ask him to break it, but he's an overachiever.
Yeah.
And he likes to make a good movie.
Yeah, so we got some video of him breaking his car and some video of him fixing his
Yeah, of him fixing his car. Of the fix.
The fix.
So there's that in here. You can hear it coming apart in this next part. If you listen closely, when he comes down.
Actually, you can hear it several times. You can hear it clanking around pretty good.
Oh, yeah, the clanking. At the very end, okay, this is to be completely fair and honest. The very end, right when he was pulling up and he goes, woo! Right before that, I said, that sounds a little clanky. That's exactly what I said.
But we weren't done videoing. I mean, we didn't have all the footage we needed, so couldn't tell him yet. I mean, that's not true.
That's not true. It was the very end. We would have stopped him. We thought it was a normal clank. Things clank when you're driving hard. Let's go see what's happening over here.
Hey, did you bring any wood? Did you bring any wood?
The baby.
You always have an excuse.
Hi, Lynn, you're so
Hi.
adorable. Do you love it?
Wood to support.
I do.
Do you love being pregnant?
Mr. Uriah, he's looking for a
bolt?
Yeah.
Your eyes looking for some kind of a bolt. Yeah. Let's go find out what. What are you looking for?
Sure.
Are you tearing his trailer apart to find a bolt? Pull it out, he said.
Where's a good handle?
I don't have a handle. I didn't get to that yet.
So, what are we looking for? We got to ride with Sherfy. We don't get to do it very often. So him and Lindsay came out. She's way pregnant and adorable. So he brought his buckshot. It's badass. Bad bleep. Well, tell us about it.
It's fast. It's loud.
It's
Actually,
awesome sounding.
I just had it tuned. Forget the name of the place, but he just had it tuned, and it's putting 750 horsepower to the rear wheels. 750.
Yeah. Our Can-Am has 154, and that freaking feels like a race car. 750.
Yeah.
listen to it.
I mean,
You'll hear it. It is.
Obviously, it weighs a lot more than a Can-Am, but it is that horsepower to weight ratio. It's pretty good.
I just watch how fast it goes.
It's fast.
Like it is, whoop, just like that.
You'll see it in a minute.
See you in a minute. Dean and the 49ers machine. Whoa, nice. Sand looks beautiful. Here we go, the whoop section. Oh, we had the GoPro on. I want to see how we look going over it, because I feel like we're just, like Uriah said, like on a cloud. Let's see. So comfy. Hi, Ranger. That would be kind of cool if you're going to be a ranger somewhere, like in the dunes, right?
A few moments later.
Like
I'm in a bad spot right now. I'll take the stake out if I try to go forward.
Yeah, I see that. I'm not in the greatest spot. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I'm going to try to move forward. If it doesn't go, I'm going to go back.
We're like right on the edge of a, right here?
Yeah,
The tire's on the edge.
I have to turn right and drop down, right?
Check.
Okay, we can back up.
Wait, let me just look. Okay, let's get it. Let me look at this. Okay, let's see that. Dean's in a bad spot. If he were to move forward, he would probably take that stake out to the fence. There's the drags down there. He doesn't want to be that guy. So, my guy's going to give him a little zhuzh, a little push, so he can just drop off into that. There's where we are. There's where our tire is, right there on the edge of the abyss. Oh, please, I hope he doesn't get smashed. Oh, if he falls, this sand is real soft. All good. That's kind of cool looking down there. We thought we might be able to see from up here, but we can't really see what's going on right down there. Just giving him a push to the right. Let's see how this goes. Oh, he's digging in. This is how the sand goes. This is how the sand goes. Or as the sand blows.
A few inches later.
Yeah, that would be a good commercial. Or a commercial soap opera name. All good. Safe and sound. Look at him. There he is. Good job. I'm not really going to interject.
I think I'm going to try for forward. Doesn't work out, we'll go backwards. Ready?
Ready. We're right on. Okay. Okay, to the right. Yep, straight. There, you got it. It worked. And it all worked out.